Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll change the window on my truck. Now that's a good looking pie. If you don't stop, I'm going to get hurt. I'm just gonna wing it because it doesn't really matter. Whoa! That's a normal umbrella. This is my umbrella. So first I'll go around to this side and I'll take out this screw here, this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw up here for the door lock. And I'll also unscrew this. I'm actually taking this apart so I can change the weather stripping. I'm actually changing the window on the driver's side. And I'm also going to change the locks. So why I'm not filming me take apart the driver's side door is because it's already taken apart. Okay, so there's also a screw in here. So now I'll take out the switches, turn them sideways, and push it out. And then this door handle you can either unbolt or just do this and that comes right off. So now I'll change the lock. To do that, first I'll take out this tab. So I'll just work it back and forth with a screwdriver and then I'll put a rag inside it because I don't want any scratches on the truck. Okay, so here's the retaining clip for the lock. So now I'm able to get the lock out. Comes out this way. And then this is attached to this rod. So this is the old lock. And this is the new lock. So now I'll get that wire back out here. And then I'll thread this on here. There we go. And now it's in. And then I'll put the retaining clip back on. There we go. Now I have a new lock. Make sure it works. Yep. Now I'll change this weather stripping up here. So to do that, first I'll roll down the window. Okay, and now I can access the weather stripping, and this just gets pulled right out. There we go. And then now I'll put the new one in. So here's the new one. So then I'll just stick this on here. Okay, and now that's on. So now I'll roll the window back up. This side's done. Now I'll work on the other side. Okay, so this is the other side. This is what's left of the window. Not very much. But I just noticed that the window motor doesn't work anymore. So I'm gonna have to order one of those. But I might as well change this. This is the old one. That looks pretty hurting. And here is the new one. Beautiful, a little bit bent, but that looks a lot nicer. Now the new one's on. Now I just need to get a new motor. So to get the starter motor out, there are two bolts here and here. So I'll just unscrew those, take that out, and then order another one. When that comes, I'll put it in. Okay, got one bolt out. So now I'll take out, there's 4 rivets here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. So I think I could take out the motor without taking out the rivets, but this will be a lot easier. I'll just cut the rivets and then I'll use bolts when I put it back together. So I think I'll just drill them out. 2 more to go. Okay, so now I just need to drill out this one and this one. So here is the motor that doesn't work. So if I had been able to get this, I wouldn't have to take out all the rivets. But whatever. Okay, got that one out. Now I'll try to take this off with a flathead screwdriver. There we go. And there's that. Now I'll order another one and then get back to this. Okay, so here's the old one. And this is the new one that I got in. So now I'll put this one in. Okay, so this is where the rivets were, and I'm going to use 1/4" bolts to secure them because I drilled out the rivets. So before I bolt all of these in, I plugged the motor in, and now I'm going to test it out to make sure it works. Hey, it works. Okay, awesome. Now I'll continue bolting it in. Okay, so now I got this bolted in. So that's not going anywhere. And obviously the motor works because I tried it out. So now I'll loosen this so that I can put the new window in. Okay, so now I'll put in the new glass. Oh, first I need this up all the way. So this is the track here, and this little foot, you can't see it, but this goes inside the track. There we go. Got that in the track. I put this down more. There we go. So now I should be able to bend this out of the way and get it in the track. And whoop-how, it's in. So now I'll push this back over and tighten this back down, and it should be all set to go. Nice. So now that the window is in, I just need to put everything back together. And this stuff here isn't really sticky anymore because of all the dirt and grime. So I think what I'll do is put on some spray adhesive just so I can stick it back on. So I'm using the light one because it's repositionable. Now that's back on. So now I'll put the door panel back on. Okay, so now I'll roll down the window and put on the inside weather stripping. Okay, now that I have the panel all screwed on, I just need to put in the little lock plug. There we go. Okay, I'm finally all done. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Okay, last one. Oh, that's why I got another nut. I got an extra one just in case I drop one. So that's a slight improvement from this, because this one covers more of the opening in the door.